Hello and welcome. My name is Ravi Telugu. I'm your instructor for Microsoft Excel course. Learning Excel can do a lot for your career. You have probably noticed hiring managers are interested in your Microsoft Excel skills. What exactly Excel is? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft which works on different types of operating systems like Windows, Mac, OS, iOS. And now what exactly Excel does is, Excel is a huge application with various types of functions and options. With Excel you can create a graphical representation of data, pivot charts, normal charts, data analysis, filters and macros and much more. What exactly we are looking in this video series? Number one, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 2019 and that is the latest version right now. And next, we purposely created very small videos so it is easy to find out the topic and go through it. Listen, it's time to working smarter, not harder. If you're ready to take your analytic skills to the next level and truly unlock the power of Excel formulas and functions, this is the course for you. And so what do you say? Get ready to dive in. Sign up now and get immediate lifetime access of high quality videos and also downloadable project files and course quizzes and homework exercises and one-on-one instructor support as well. We will focus on many of Excel most powerful and widely used functions like financial functions, engineering functions, widely used functions and MIS reports. We cover all the categories for all the businesses as well, for all the working requirements. The goal of this course is to help you to become a master of Excel. We want to succeed and the material we have prepared will allow you to do that. Sign up now and get immediate lifetime access of high quality videos. Thank you.